8 billion gone a long time. And when I mean 8 billion, so I hope you understand what I'm saying, Popsquad. It sounds like massive amounts, but when you check it, the amount of money we're giving to each household, it is going to need much more than 10 billion to treat with the $100,000 assessments that we have done. All right? So, again, I want you to understand that we're going through, and I can show you, if I had it here, I could show you the list that tells you exactly the breakdown. I'll try to put it up at some point in time. Maybe next week when I do another live, I'll show you. But trust me when I tell you, we have dispersed at least that amount already, but much more will be needed. I am severe in Parity and still nothing. Mary, well, I know that Parity was really badly hit, and there's a lot of help needed there. So send me your information and send it off right now. Kid Cody, big up yourself. All right, where else are we now? Saika. Good night, Mr. Charles. Mrs. Allison. Councillor Henry office in Thompson Town. Okay. Add me in the box. What do I add in the box? All right. I'm going to add some people in the box. Don't come on and go crazy, please. Because then I'd have to quickly unadd you. All right. So let's see. Triple G. All right. Let's find your Triple G. I have you. I'm gonna add you. There you go.
Mr. Charles.
Good night.
Good night. I'm Mrs. Allison from Thompson Town. The lady, I met you once before the election. I was talking to you about an incident. I used to travel on the program since 2014.
Yeah.
And 2 years, I realized that my request came down. And when I went to ministry, I didn't get any call. But my colleagues that work on the same farm call and ask why I'm not at medical. I said I did not get a call. They said, so you don't come to the ministry? When I went there, they said there's no request. I called back my supervisor. She screenshot it and said, yeah.
Can we see you? The people want to see who I'm talking to.
Hold on, Mr. Charles. Let me just go put the camera right here. Hold on. Can you see me now, Mr. Charles?
Yeah, man. Go ahead. Good.
Yeah. So when I called my supervisor in Nova Scotia, they said that the request is sent. I said, but they show me on the system that there's no request there. Anyway.
How long ago was this?
That was 2016, 2017.
2016?
Yeah, 2018. I'm telling you what's going on. 2018 no. I'm telling you what's going on. 2018 no. I went there. 18, 19, 20, and 21. 4 years straight I've been going.
When you say you went there, you did
went
what?
To ministry to do Mr. Delroy Palmer sent me to do police record. All the police record that I've been doing from that time.
Don't call out nobody's name on the live like that.
I'm sorry about that, sir.
Hold on a second. My niece. Yeah. Yes. Hello? Yes, but I'm on a TikTok live, so. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
So what I'm saying, I don't understand why when the requests come down, nobody's not getting them.
But you can't say that. You yourself said that your friends got through. So you didn't get through, but everybody else did. So don't say that the request is coming in and nobody gets through. So there may be an issue. There may be an issue with your file. Okay, so what we have to do is let me check it. Let me investigate it. All right. So sometimes what I've found is when we do the investigations, primarily your employer may not tell you, but they may say to us that they do not want this person back. And they don't say it to you because they don't want that uncomfortable situation. I'm not saying this is what happened with you, but I'm telling you, based on my experience, many times this is what occurs, and I've seen that many, many times. But again, we don't want to speculate. Let me get your information, and we look on it. Hold on a second. Shards, and I keep on pressing these things. I don't know what I'm pressing. Shards, send me another message, Shards. So yeah, Miss Allison, so I was saying to you, you don't know what the situation is. I don't know yet either, but let's check it. All right, let's investigate it.
Because all those years worth of police record just keep putting down. They keep saying, when I went there to find out what's going on, they said I went to places somewhere, go and do the police record. Sometimes it's even a farmer liaison officer one of the time sent me something to put some chicken in my coop. And when I went to Kingston to investigate what's going on, that person said to me, go and do the police record and bring it straight to me. Me said, this is the second time you're telling me that, And when I went there with it the last time, I haven't seen the person.
So I said to you, go bring the police record and send it
go
straight
and do your
to
police
them.
record. Right down Duke Street, I went and do the police record. That's how close I do it. So when I come, when I'm going to come up, going to ministry now, I just pick it up at Duke Street. And that's what I did. And when I went there, how long I can't see. I never yet seen all this. So I have 6 police records here in the drawer right there.
Doing what with?
Each time I came there and I said, you tell me this and you tell me that for how long, and every time you say me go do a police record, and they keep just piling up. So every time I do a police record, it just comes through down. He's in a meeting. Is this, is that?
The same person who you said?
Yeah. Each time. As somebody who I know well, somebody who knows me well.
I don't know, my dear, but let me look on it.
Okay.
Let me look on it. Let me just say, this is for the person who is Mrs. Holness constituent, Lesreen. You're on the pending payment list, which means funds are available for her to be collected. Hold on. All right. Okay, Mrs. Allison.
Yes, Mr. Charles.
So it's good to hear your side of the story, but every story have about 500 sides. So yeah. I'm gonna take your information. Have you ever sent me a message on TikTok?
A lot of message from.
You don't have to say it like that. A lot of message. I mean, you don't have to be so, what I'm saying?
I see,
take it easy.
I see a Miss G. I see a Miss G.
No, sir. All right. Let me get back your information, and then I will. I look for your handle. Let me get back your information, and I will check it for you tomorrow. I can't, but let me say this to you. I'm not giving you any commitment that my intervention can get you back over there, because as I said to you, you may not hear the right thing from the employer. Many of them employer, they're afraid to tell you what is the truth of what they think, because they don't want no problem with the workers. Okay? That's why they have us. They call us, and we are the liaisons. We work through the system with them. So let me talk to my team, find out what is the situation. What I can commit to you is to tell you straight, so you don't waste your time. So if it is that they don't want you, I'll tell you straight, listen, they're not going to take you. If it is that it's something that can be worked out, I will fight to work it out for you. Deal?
Okay.
Good?
Okay.
All right. So I will find you. Don't move yet. Triple G. What is your thing? Not nice. Not nice. 670.
Notice. I notice that they are not.
Miss, you meant to write notice. That is supposed. Your handle is supposed to be notice. I misspell it and put the N. Is that what you're saying?
Look at it.
No, it is, hold on. Member of Parliament, Mr. Morris. Not bad. I'm on a TikTok live. But listen now, the people trying to get in touch with you. So I'm going to give them your number to call you right now. All right? All right, answer your phone. Not nice. This lady supposed notice. Notice. And you put in an N. I'm trying to find you. Not nice 670. You think private, man. That's not you. But the problem I'm having is when I get, somebody have to teach me this now. When I find a person, right, like this, isn't it supposed to say message right here where I can check the message? Isn't that how it works? Isn't it supposed to say message? How do I, when you get the person's name, where's the message thing? How do I get that up? And why is it that mine is not saying message? Somebody guide me. Yeah, it's supposed to say message. Can you please check my message? Rush. Sure. Can you add me in the box? Joshua, Jaquan, mommy. Hey, listen to me. Some of you with the whole of a long name. MP. Let's see. Let me add. Are you on my thing to be added? You coming on, let's see. Tell your friend that I'm on, let's see, by the way. Call her and tell her. And the other lady there too. I can't remember her name, but she's usually on. All right, I'm gonna add on one more person in about 2 minutes. And maybe every 5 minutes or so we add another person and try them out, see if they have sensible questions. So just give me a few. All right. Okay. Let me lose some of these. Let me see some of these. My MP, I sent you. Wow, gone again. Pleasant good night, ex-Marie. I've tried texting on multiple times for job and any available vacancy. Ex-Marie, I need to know what is your. Let me try it. If you texted me, let me try and find you. X underscore MARI 1.0. Yes, I found you. You see? And message comes up. I'm not following you, and your message thing comes up. Other people, it's not coming up. I think, because their account is private. Right? Yes? Am I right? No? Okay. Somebody can tell me. Mr. Charles, we give you a number and you never answer. Who did I give my number to? User 38872. You not even have a name. You sure I gave you my number? But ex-Marie, you never messaged me. You did not message me. Depends on the setting on their account. Okay, yeah. Please follow my page. Any landscaping job overseas? Yes, there are landscaping jobs, but a lot of those are going through the private employers. I text you too. I did the interview in 2023, but I did get a call. So if you got a call, what's the problem? Shanice, I'm not understanding. You did it in 20. Let me add you. Shanice?
Hello.
Video, man. Video. Make sure you're talking to somebody live and not an AI. 2026.
I don't know how to put it on a video.
It was just on video, Shanice. We just saw something.
Okay.
Anyway, go ahead.
So I did the interview in 2023 and I didn't get a call. So I was wondering if I should go back to the Minister of Labor with my resume.
What did you interview for?
A chef.
A chef. Hold on 1 second for me. Hello? That's way too much. Definitely too much. That's way good about it. But let me show you on a TikTok live. Yeah. 2023. So I'd have to check it because maybe you haven't gotten a call because maybe there've been no new vacancies.
Okay.
Perhaps because they've really had a difficult time, challenging time in terms of opening up opportunities, particularly for the female farm workers. So, but you were interested in the agricultural section, right?
It was hospitality.
Hospitality. So you sent in your resume and everything?
Yeah, I did my police record, everything.
Well, I don't know. I'm not sure why. We'd have to check it for you. You sent me a message?
Yeah, I did.
What is your handle?
Pardon me?
What's your name on TikTok?
Shanice.
Spell it for me.
SHANICE.
No, not that. What is your at? Like at what?
I don't have.
You don't understand what I'm saying? What's your at? So when you all right, hold on. Let me check. Samantha Smith 5990. That's your actual thing, right?
Yeah.
Samantha Smith
Yeah.
990. Where you come from?
Manchester, but I'm living in St. Anne's.
Well, you love your picnic, sir. No, sir. How much picnic you have? How much picture you have of this one child? Proud mother. All right. So send me some information, Shanice. I see you sent me like a ID, but I don't see anything else.
Okay.
So send it to me right now, because if you don't send it now, so it's gone back in the batch and it won't be
Okay,
found.
I'm gonna send it.
So like right now, send it to me now so I can send it to my team while we speak. All right?
Yeah.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
Listen, you people that are coming on, I need to make sure that you are actually people, so open your videos. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay? Cool. All right, good night, sir. What about the online solidarity? That's not open up to you yet. It's not open. Online solidarity is not open to anybody applying. But you can apply, but you won't get through on that yet. God bless Southeast St. Mary. We've got the QR code, but nowhere to redeem it. I have to check that. Let me check that. What time is it now? 8:30? I can't call them right now. Probably a little late. But I'll try them tomorrow. I need a piece of paper to write this down. Write this one for me. Southeast St. Mary. Check the redemption centers for that. Susan 32, boss lady. Well, it's a lot of boss ladies we have, I'm telling you. Sir, any lady going on farm work program this week? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. I don't actually track to see the actual persons going. I don't know. They're always on a weekly basis we have persons going. So like it's likely that women are heading out this week. Any vacancy for housekeeping on H2B? Yes. There are many requests for housekeeping and front desk and chef and such. But they are very erratic requests. So you might get a request today, then none for the next 2 months, and another 550 requests. So it just depends. So you just have to be prepared, which is why we tell people, get your resume together, put your certificate, your experience, and then send it in to us. Need help in Aldear, Westmoreland, please? What kind of help? Let me know. Good night, sir. I prevailed. I text the WhatsApp numbers for roofing, but only got 1 tick. Oh, that's a problem. I'm not sure why. That should be going through. That should be going through. I'm not sure why you're not getting through. Okay. All right. We'll have to check that for you. Send me a message, I prevail. So I have 15 years experience in hotel industry. I need your help with the work program. How old are you? How old are you? That's a question, because if you haven't gone on before, then you have to be under 45. Let me see, 1 second. I'm gonna add somebody else on now. Who should we add? Who should we add? Definitely not. Hold on. There's a young lady that had asked me about the business yesterday. I wanted to, what's her name again? Dana? Delia. Is Delia on the live? Delia, if you're on the live, come on, let me add you. I have something to discuss with you. All right, let's let the people know what's going on. Hold on. Is it Donil? No. Okay. Recent guest. Okay. Let's see who this is. Let's see if you, again, let me see who we're talking to.
Good night, Mr. Charles.
Good night, Mrs. Charles. I'd like to.
Yeah, I tried last year on the H2B program, but I wasn't successful because of the agency that I was using, right?
Is it that you don't want me to see your face? Why everybody coming on and not the people who are watching us want us to talk?
I'm sorry.
I want to see who we're talking to. Yes.
I'm Mr. Charles.
How you doing? All right, talk to me.
All right. I'm a practical nurse.
Yeah.
And I want to change stuff for me and my kids.
Yes.
So I wanna try to do the H2B thing. However, I tried last year with an agency in Ocherius. It wasn't successful because she didn't want teeth in the morning.
Okay, well that would not make it successful. I can understand that. So you didn't go up?
No. She do everything like, she sent all of the paperwork and everything. And somehow I don't know, I just click in and say, no man, that money are thief.
You know, however, let me tell you, what's your name?
I'm Keron, Keron, Keron.
I have so many persons calling me about practical nurse. At this point, I think that the government needs to, we have to have a structured program either to support you or to actually just take control of that. But we don't want to send away our nurses at the same time, because we need them here. So let me think about it, Karen. I need to get your information, because you have some experience that can help me in developing this program.
Yes, sure.
So let me, I don't want the people on the live to get your number and then start calling you.
I message you on TikTok, you know, because
you message me on TikTok already?
Yes.
All right, let me hold on 1 second. All right, hello? Yeah, I'm on the live. Can I call you back in a few? I'm on a TikTok, yeah. Yeah, sorry. Okay, you message me on what?
TikTok.
TikTok. What is your handle? What's your handle?
It's KK. That's my name on TikTok.
Just KK?
KK. Initial KK.
So how you get that?
All right, let me tell you.
No, what is your, no man, it couldn't be KK. KK? It has to be something. But I'm trying to find your, it is RHULEKER. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I need. RHULEKER. Is this you? That's you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Are your boss, sister? All right. Charles, I'd love to do the work and travel program. I really need your help. And number 3345. Sorry. I'm bad.
I do other business, you know, so it's no problem.
No, I did not mean to read out your number.
That's all right.
My
I
apologies.
do a lot of business, so it's not a problem for them to get.
I'm almost afraid to ask you what else you do. What else?
So you see it on my page. I have a boarding facility.
33450. 33450. Pick up your phone.
Hi.
You with this?
Yes, it's me.
All right, so okay, good. All right, so listen now. You're going to help me with this program, right? So this is my number. I save it. But I give it out all over the place. But so I need your help because we have so many practical nurses. I have to find a way to structure these things so it makes sense. Can't have every week everybody asking the same question and we don't have a solution that makes sense. Because right now the practical nurses don't come under government, right? But they should. Well, not that they should, but in some way, even if they don't come under government, we have to find a way to make sure that we can streamline it. And also, we need nurses. So, you know, maybe even if it's not going overseas, can be a pipeline to help the government here. What is a boarding facility? Oh, you do your own thing. Okay, that's good. That's good, man. That's good, man. You're industrious. And Candy is saying something makes sense. Geriatric nurses. So, all right. So hold this. I'm going to send this number to my assistant so that we can set up a call. Yes. I think we need somebody who doing geriatric who try to go overseas to get onto this and set up a little committee. Hold on, yeah, go ahead.
You can
Why not go back, Miss? 2 we have a conversation on the phone and everybody want to hear. Go back on the live. Go back on the live. But I need to save your number. Save your name. What's your name? Come on the live now, KK. You guys are gone. Okay.
I am here.
You come back? All right.
All right. What do you people want to know?
Madam
I know.
Speaker,
Karen, that's
you was looking for. All right. So listen, give me a proper name. Let me save it.
It's KERON RHULE.
RHULA.
Rule.
Oh. I'm going to put practical nurse. Practical nurse. All right, so what we're going to do now, Karen, tomorrow might be a little rough for me, but I am, you know what? I don't want to tell you I'm gonna do it and then I don't do it because I know that tomorrow will rough for me. So I'm gonna send your number to my office now, right? So that they can keep in touch with you for me. You hear?
Okay.
Send it to you. And then we can try and see if we can structure something. Like get your experience, right? And get the experience of the geriatric nurse persons that we have and see what makes sense. What can we do to help you? Even if it's going through private employment agencies, what can we do to help? And also, how can we get a pipeline for you guys to go work in Jamaica? There's so many nurses that we're losing, all right? And many of you, I don't know if it's practical or registered. I know there's many differences in terms of the nurses, the level, but let's start there, all right?
Okay, Mr. Charles, thanks.
All right, take care, my dear.
Okay.
Big up. All right, so that is Karen. All righty. All right, where we now? What else we have? Good night, everybody. Good night, Shay. Shay, I know that I'm supposed to message you from a long time. Many persons. I see somebody sending me, I'm watching your live. I know there's a lot going on. Please remember me, Nikki Smith, Hospitality and Tourism. Studied at NCU. Let me send this off right now. What is? Are you on the live, Nikki? If you're on the live, let me. Right, sir. Meet at my car. Okay. Really? Big up yourself. Tier 2 operator. Sir, I text you on TikTok. Yes. All right. Nastasia Garciana. Yes, from JCCF. Okay. All right. That is a long time ago, but that was a good interaction with JCCF. All right. Let me see this now. Good night, sir. Can you check your inbox, please? Help is needed in Westmoreland. Is this Tiana? All right, let me check this, Tiana. But I need to, I'm trying to find Nikki. Nikki, are you, let me see if you are, oh, Tiana. Good evening, Mr. Charles. I'm sending this message on behalf of my aunt who was affected by the hurricane. She is still without electricity and Wi-Fi at this moment. This is from Friday. Her name is whatever. I won't say it out loud. She resides in Bluefields, Westmoreland, and has experience in housekeeping. So Tiana, what is it? So is this a request, Tiana, for your aunt to get a job, or is it a request for support for your aunt in terms of the roofs program? Let me know. Okay. All right. Where are we? Hold on. Let me try and add on. I'm going to add on somebody else now quickly. 1 second. 1 second. I am trying to look for. I see Tiana. Let me add Tiana. Come on, Tiana. Let's see what you're saying. Just open up your video one time, please, so that people can see who you are.
Hi, sir. Good night.
Good night, Tiana. Let me see your face.
I'm sorry. I'm unable to turn on my camera at this time. I'm not properly dressed. I'm truly sorry. I'm packing to leave, so I'm not in the best state. But I sent the message on behalf of my aunt. Yeah. They are still without electricity. Still, they haven't received any help. And so whichever is possible at this time, if it's like with the roofing or work, whichever would be fine for her.
What's your aunt's? Send me your aunt's number. Webs. Can she take a call?
It depends. If she has service, the service it's in and out. So, but she is aware of the live. I had spoken to her earlier today, and she was supposed to join.
Was she assessed?
No, sir. They haven't. Like, no one has been there. I asked her about the MP, the councillors.
Tiana, it is highly unlikely that she was not assessed.
They haven't seen anyone because I asked her, who she has seen. I believe they went through the community, but in that particular section that she's in, they haven't seen anyone in terms of getting help with like reconstruction.
Send me the name and number. Whenever we hear these things and we call, what usually happens is that they say, well, it's from November with somebody. We haven't seen anybody since then. So let's check it first.
Yes,
I'm not
sir.
saying that she's wrong. She could be right. I'm not saying she's wrong, but let's check it. So send me the name and number.
Oh, I sent it to you already, sir. In your inbox?
Yes. Okay. Not your name and number. No, your aunt's.
No, it's hers. It's hers.
Okay. All right. I'll check it. All right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Get through it, whatever you're doing. So what do you do?
I am a part of the military. I'm in the army.
JDF?
No, sir. In the States.
Oh, so you go in Iran?
No, not Iran, somewhere else, but not Iran.
Well, we pray protection over you.
Thank you, sir.
I want to make sure you're good. Keep in touch with me. Let me know what's happening.
Yes,
I know
sir.
how, big up yourself, continue to do well. Stay safe. You're now my secret weapon out there. So
Definitely, sir.
yeah, so hold on. Tier 2 say I ask you for classified information. We don't want to get you in a problem. The classified information.
No, sir.
All right, but keep in touch. Let us know that you are alive and that you're good here.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.
All right, all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you don't play with me. Anybody play with me, I send Tiana after you. Trust me. One text, not even a phone call, a text message. Good night, sir. Again, I was the one who was severely damaged in Westmoreland that got assessed, but haven't heard anything. But separately, sir, I am on your live and also about the overseas jobs placement. I have a level 2 in front office reception and a level 3 in early childhood, along with experience in both, sir. You know what I need? We need the email now so that these people can send their resumes to this email. Let me ask Miss Miller send it to me. Hold on there. Miller send it. Hold on, everybody. 1 second. Minister and this person, Joshua Jaquan. Okay. Add them, Lexi. I've added them. Good night.
Hi, good night, Mr. Charles.
You hiding too?
No, I'm turning it on, but it's not. Okay, I'm right here, sir. Good night.
Good night, my dear. Hold on 1 second. Good night, Mrs. Millicent. Send me the email address that persons can send their resume to if interested in hospitality, farmer, well, overseas employment. Good night. What's your name?
My name is Bethany.
I'm not hearing you. Bethany. Okay.
Bethany.
Okay. Where are you calling from?
Oh.
Where are you from?
Yeah. I'm from Keith St. John.
Okay. All right. How can I serve you?
You hear me, sir?
Yes. How can I serve you?
Okay, so during the hurricane, I lived in a boardhouse on my family's property. However, my boardhouse got damaged and some other stuff also got damaged. The day when they came to assess the boardhouse, I wasn't at home. However, my cousin did fill out his information on my behalf. A couple weeks ago, one of my co-workers received the text message. I've been calling the office to explain to them that my cousin no longer has that phone number. So if they could use a different number in space of that number, because even if I do get the message, I couldn't get to use it because he doesn't have the phone number anymore.
So you need to, all right, so you need to get in touch with the parish office. Have you gone down there?
No, I haven't gone down there, but I've called down there and they said that they cannot do change the number or something like that. It's out of their league.
What? Somebody
That's
said
what that I
that the
called,
change
sir, and
is
that's what
out
they
of
told
their
me.
league.
Yes, sir. They don't have I would say they don't have the jurisdiction or in that field to change the number.
All right. Okay. You sent me a message on TikTok.
Yes, I did.
Let me find
It's
you.
my same name, Joshua and Jake and mommy.
Hold on. Spell this for Joshua. Yeah, I got it.
JOSHUANAJAIQUANMOMMY.
I got it. Mercy. Joshua and Jaquan. Okay. Okay. All right. So send me. Let me send you a. I'm gonna send you a message. Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, also I'm a single mother of two, sir. It's been really rough for me, sir, because I'm working, sir, but I only work 3 days a week, sir.
All right. So what I want you to do, let's take it one step.
You hear me, sir?
I'm hearing you, but let's take it one step at a time. I want to treat it the first matter first. I want you to send me a TikTok message now with your with your full name and your phone number and your address.
Yes, sir.
Well, the community. I don't need a specific address, just the community.
Sir.
Because we need to, well, your TRN wouldn't be in the system because it's your cousin. So send me your name and your number, but we're gonna need your cousins, the one whose name was placed on the list before. We're gonna need that name and the old number. Because we're going to have to pull that up and see how we can alter it. Okay? Send it to me right now.
Okay, sir.
If you wait until tomorrow, I'm not going to find it. I get at least 5,000 messages per day. Okay, send it to me right now. All right?
So I'm going to send it to you as I come off the line.
And then on the other matters, let's take it step at a time. So deal with that, and then you and I can talk about the other matters when we've solved the issue. Okay?
All right, thank you.
All the best. And tell Joshua and Jacqueline or Jakian, wow, destroying the names. Tell the kids good night. All right?
Okay, I will.
Okay. Ver favor, NIS is not helping us in any way. Tell me what's going on and how can I help? That's why I'm here. I'm here because we want to help. All right? Lexi Lindsay, who else? Lexi Lindsay, who else are we adding, please? I'm assuming you'd have gone through. Can you let me know? Mr. Minister. Hold on. Anyone? Okay. Mr. Minister, sir, the WhatsApp number they give you doesn't work, and the workers are very rude. Which workers? Let me try and find you, Sasha. Your net digital boss. All right, I'm gonna find you right now. You on it? I'm coming back to you. Who had the issue with the I'll find you. You're on it, digital boss lady. Yeah, I found it. Good night, Mr. Charles. Love what you're doing on your lives. My name is Janet Myers I'm a returnee of the H2B program and has traveled the ministry before. I sent my resume to your office about a month now. That's the wrong place to send it. That's why you have to send it down to East Street. I sent my resume to the office. I'm asking, please, if you could recommend me for this coming summer H2B season through the ministry. All right, I'm going to send you, Janet. Hold on. Message request accepted. You can start chatting. So, Janet, I'm going to send you my office, because you are from my constituency. So I'm going to send you the constituency office email and ask that you send me your resume there and put some information in it put some information in the email showing me or telling me about your history. So you traveled, when you traveled, what you did, where you went, and you have an interest to travel again. All right? I'm going to give you also the phone number. Don't send it tonight. Send it tomorrow after like 9 o'clock when you can call the number and check with the office that they have received the email. And then they will contact me and let me know. All right? Sasha, I'm trying to get you. Oh, man. Every time I try to get Sasha, the messages move. Sasha, I need to speak to you. So either Madam Speaker or Lexi Lindsay, can one of you tell me who is the next person to add, please? I'm assuming you're going through the messages. Black Ice, 1, 2, 3. All right.
Sasha?
Hmm?
That's Sasha? Sasha.
Black Ice, adding you.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night.
I'm Javon Clark. Sir, I've been asking my MP about 3 to 4 years now about the farmer program. So the last time him called me and said me for just go down to the Ministry of Labor. So when I go down there, them say it's not like that. So them run through the file, but them say them do some file, sir.
So tell me now, what your interest is not hospitality, it's agriculture.
Yes, sir. Or housekeeping. Whichever one.
But do you have a certificate in housekeeping?
No. So the last time I was about to go on a H2B program, but they someone take my name, but the program was already full. So him said for try back, but I've been trying back, but not getting any response.
What parish you come from?
I'm from Portland, but I'm living in Kingston.
So let me get it right. The MP, you're on the MP's list already?
Yes, every time I go up there.
Hold on. Have you done an interview yet?
No, sir.
No interview. Who's your MP?
Mr. Darrell Vaz.
All right.
Darrell Vaz.
Lexi, send me, either you send me your number, your name and number, you send it to Lexi Lindsay, one of us. All right?
Okay, sir.
Send me your name, your number. What else would I need? I think that's it. That should be it. If you want to send me TRN, you can send. No, I don't need a TRN. Send me your name and your number and maybe your community.
Okay,
right?
so
and I'll check with your MP to see what's going on and see what's happening with you.
Okay, sir.
All right, cool.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
All right. Biggie, big business. You receive a text message without code, it's still good. You don't need a code for you to get access to the Roofs program. If you receive a text message, it is equivalent to the QR code. It's either or, and both can be used to go to the merchant to redeem. Just make sure you don't delete the text. And if you do delete it by mistake, go into your recycle bin or go into your, what do you call it now? Is that the recycle bin or what's the other one? No. Yeah, or deleted messages, whichever one. And check, and you should be able to restore the message. Luxury doll, minister. Okay. Madam Speaker said add luxury doll. So good night.
Good night.
How are you, luxury doll?
Good.
How good are you?
Kind of good.
Yeah, you're in the darkness. Can't see it. Not
Yes,
even
me now.
Slightly.
I don't have any light, so I want solar light I ever use. That's why.
So good. Where are you? Westmoreland?
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas. Okay. Which part? Which one?
Marant Bay.
Really?
Yes.
I've met you before?
Never. First time.
Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding from me? Why are you hiding from me? Oh. I've been to St. Thomas so many times.
I've never seen St. Thomas before.
You don't know my sister?
No.
What a wickedness. You don't know Michelle Charles?
Michelle Charles, your sister? I don't know.
Pernell Charles. Michelle Charles.
Mm.
Not difficult. Anyway, talk to me. How can I help you?
Well, I would like you to help me with a farm work. A farm work job.
Okay. What kind of farmer job do you want? Agriculture, hospitality? What's your interest? What's your experience?
I've experience in housekeeping, and I'm also a practical nurse. I have diploma in healthcare.
You have experience in housekeeping, you're a practical nurse, and you have diploma in healthcare?
Right.
So the diploma in
NCT at Guild and NCT vet in healthcare.
See, I tell you now, we really need to something with the practical nurses. Because so many of you have these. How long? Let me ask you a question. How long was the program that you did? So,
1 year from 2021 to 2020, from 2020 to 2021. 1 year program.
1 year program.
Yes.
Okay. So, and after that 1 year, you get the diploma?
Yes.
Okay. And so, do they give you any support in terms of finding a job?
No. Up to now, from my old school, up to now, I can't get a job. I'm on a resume, I send out to Princess Margaret Hospital, public, all over. Up to now, I can't get a job.
So when you decided to do this course, you did it with the intention that you would be able to get a job, right?
Yes.
So did they speak to you about that, about how you would be able to get a work after the course?
Yes, the teacher, she showed me how to write a resume and the application letters to send out to look for a job.
And this group that you use in order to get the diploma, they are a registered group. You've checked them out.
Yes,
You make sure that it's not
Distinction College. I used to win Distinction College.
Okay. All right. Okay. So we have to look on it. I don't know the name of the of the group, but let's see. Okay. 1 second. Madam Speaker says pure lies and tell the students. So maybe it is a scam. Do you know persons that did the course with you that actually got jobs?
Yes.
And they got jobs through the diploma, people?
Yes, them gone overseas, gone work.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Because the NTT veteran is City and Guild, it could work overseas.
Okay. Yes, Sasha. I see Sasha come up. Queen Sasha coming up. I'm trying to get her. You got her? Try pin her for me. Pin her. Get her. It's Sasha 33JAN. Just find her. I think she messaged me. Find her for me. All right. What's your name again? Luxuda?
My right name?
No, you don't. Give me your first name.
Isila. ICYLA.
Isila. All right.
ICYLA.
So let me just wind down and finish up. So what you want, Isila, is you want some support in getting a job.
Yes.
You have done the diploma, you have your resume, you have applied to a couple of places, but you haven't even been called to do an interview.
Never.
Okay, I want to put you on to I have a department at my ministry that assists persons in seeking jobs. So I want to get your information. Can you send me on TikTok now your proper name, your phone number, your address, and then I can have them call you tomorrow?
Okay. But the last time I was texting you on TikTok and it said, you can't send any more message. You'd have to accept.
So give me your handle, not your name, Luxudal. What's the other thing? The actual at what? Luxudal gone. Okay. Luxudal gone. Mac, minister, add this person. Mac. Who is Mac? Lex, you're not seeing a Mac. Is who Lexi Simmons said? Mac? I'm not seeing nobody named Mac.
It's your Rain G. Rain G.
Ren G. Let me see. Ren G. Hold on. Too many names, boy. I'm not seeing it. Lexi, I'm not seeing that name.
That person was asking about
I'm not
internship.
seeing. Or Renji. Renji. That's you. Remember Sasha? Yeah. So okay.
Hello, good night, sir.
Good night. Let's see you, Renji. Where are you?
Hello.
Hold on 1 second, Renji. Sasha, you phone her? A messenger? Oh, Sasha, we messaged you a while ago, so send me the information. Oh, you send it? Send me your number now, Sasha, please. Send me your number so we can contact you tomorrow. Renji, good night.
Good night, sir.
How
I just
are you?
wanted to ask about internships for final year students who are interested in being here, like being in Jamaica after school.
All right. So what school are you going to?
I'm going to UMona and I am in my final semester. My degree is political science with a double minor in gender studies and development and criminology.
Very bossy.
Yes, sir, thank you.
All
And I
right.
would like to work in policy and development, so I'm interested in the ministries.
My ministry is developing that unit now, so they haven't done it fully yet, but maybe by the time you're finished, you can come get a work.
So now internships come for September?
Where are you? Where you live?
I live in Kingston.
Okay. So you want an internship for when?
Yes.
From what period to what period?
So I finish in May, but I would like to do like a year as of September because I'm going back for my master's September 2027. But I want to do my gap year in
But the
ministry.
clapper not send some thumbs up or something, no? Clap the lady, boy. Telling you. All right, here what we're gonna do for you. What's your proper name? What's your first name?
My name is Renicia.
Renicia.
Yes, sir.
Renicia, the TikTok live family is telling me that we have to take care of you. We want to say to you that we're so proud of the hard work you're doing at UE, and we want you to excel. We want you to be your best. So I'm going to make a call tomorrow morning.
Okay.
And I'm going to ask that you send me your resume, and I'm going to make a special request that you come to work as an intern at the Ministry of Labor and Social Security. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you live in Kingston, so you shouldn't be too far from there. Where our office is on North Street. And if you're doing politics and policy and all those things, we need all of the help we can get. We have a program called the SIP program, Social Intervention Program, that we can add you on. I believe so, because you finish when?
I finish in May.
May?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so I wonder.
But I'd like to resume in September.
You want to resume what?
An internship or anything as of September.
I think you can work with it. So send me your name. Oh, you have it already? Renji. All right. So we have your message here. I'm going to send you an email. I'm going to send you my ministry email.
Okay.
And you are going to send me a message. Send me an email attaching your resume.
Yes, sir.
And attaching a cover note. Sent it to you a while ago. Attaching a cover note that says basically that you say as discussed. So we know that we've spoken.
Okay.
It's wrong. You can edit it. I think I sent you the wrong email or spelled it. Well, you see. It's this minister. I think I spelled minister wrong, but whatever. So send a cover note saying, "Dear Minister Charles, as discussed, please see my resume attached," and cover note. Then attach the cover note, attach the resume, and in the cover note, express to me what you said a while ago to all of us here. Say, listen, I am who I am. I'm finishing. I have an interest in doing an internship and adding value to an organization, and this is my ambition. And then let us see where we can place you in the ministry to come and help us for a year. All right, so congrats to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
If all goes well, you've just got an internship of our TikTok live.
Okay, sir. I'll be sure to endorse.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Okay.
All the best and continue to do well. Good luck. Good luck in your future. All right.
Appreciate it.
All right. Cool. All right. But for help the young people, everyone. Proud. I'm glad when I hear them doing well and on the right track. If you give them some motivation, because it's so easy to go off track. So easy to go off track. So many things pulling you left and right. So when they are level-headed and ambitious and focused, you have to give them the space and the room to grow and to make mistakes and to get back up from those mistakes and push forward. Yeah. All right, next. All right, we don't have a lot of time, guys. It's 9:16 and I have not eaten. My belly bubbling. I'm supposed to get some tea. Can I go get some tea? It's about 9:17. Get some tea. I need some tea. Get some tea. Get some tea. All right. Let's see, Lindsay, where are you? Madam Speaker, where are you there? Thank you, Sasha. Enough love. All right. Madam Speaker, who next? Really need I'm from middle quarters, okay. Check my IG, sending it up.